Hi, my name is James and I am the proud owner of JEM Cleaning here in Etobicoke, Ontario, and I'm also one of several regional ambassadors to the ISSA, which is the International Sanitary and Supply Association. And I got to tell you, it is an incredible organization. When I started my business in 1987, it was just a humble window cleaning business, and it was certainly a means to an end that helped me go through school. Later on, I built the business up, and I decided I'd get into the home cleaning industry, and that's when I joined the ISSA, and I realized that there's an entire community of people out there that are doing the same thing that I am, and they really just want to help me out, make my business better. And the ISSA offers all kinds of certification courses, but really what it is, it's an association that brings all the suppliers, the manufacturers of all the products that we use and creates standards for how these products are to be used, but also it helps you out learning and understand, how these products are all supposed to be meant to be used. And there's so many people that have been through what I'm dealing with and just really want to help me out. And being a part of a professional association, particularly the ISSA, really does help that out. So it is International Cleaning Week, and I have been asked, what does cleaning mean for me? Well, for one, cleaning is it's a means to an end. So of course there's that. However, it's also It's cleaning is just about getting all of that buildup out of your house. It's the extraction of dirt out of your house, and it really helps preserve everything that's in your house so you don't have things like that dust and dirt sitting on all the things that you cherish. And so that's what, that's the essence of cleaning. It's provide a healthier atmosphere for the environment that you live in. So a cleaning hack. What is one thing that I could offer up as something for spring cleaning? The one thing I really like is decluttering the house. So decluttering doesn't have to be that enormous task that we think of it as. My suggestion is to just take a box and take a space in your house, whether it's a kitchen or a room or just a drawer, and go through that space. And then just spend 5 minutes. You pick up an item, you look at that item, and you decide yourself within a few seconds, do I keep it, do I toss it, or do I donate it? And there's a lot of items in your house that they don't have the same meaning to you. They don't have the same purpose. And it's quickly just decide what you're going to do with it. Just spend 5 minutes and clean out all the things that is cluttering up your house. Now you can do that several times over, but just use the 5-minute rule to quickly go through, fill that box, and get it out of your house. And what you're going to find is that having a decluttered house is a whole lot less stressful. You don't have a lot of things that are clouding things up, and a lot of relics in your house just draw us back. It helps us to move forward. It creates for a cleaner visual view of your whole space, which apparently reduces stress, helps you sleep better, and there's less items to clean. So there you have that. So anyway, I hope that helps. Happy cleaning week, and I look forward to seeing you out there.